Watch you when you were boiling. So this was the song by Bangles and it's called Eternal Flame. So whenever somebody asks me to sing, I never say no. I start singing and it's the only song that comes to my mind and on my lips, and I sing along. And you must be wondering that I'm dressed up in a Banarsi, which is really beautiful, and I'm singing an English song. Well, I love fusing flavors in my food and fusing everything, like Indian and Western. Why not? So this is it, Eternal Flames. And here is my tomato soup for the soul. It's so heartwarming, nourishing, comforting, and it's so beautiful. It tastes so amazing and one of my favorite recipes. So, after a singing session, which I love doing while cooking, I'm sharing my yummy tomato soup recipe with you because it's simply divine. And all you need to do is take 4 tomatoes, little bit of ginger garlic, 1 small potato, 1 small onion, salt and pepper to taste, and boil everything or cook it in a pressure cooker. That's perfectly alright, no problem. And finally, then you sieve it and boil it again, and you get this yummy, delicious soup, which I'm going to dress up with. I put some fresh herbs and I'm putting olive oil, and I have some smoked rosemary, which I always do. So whenever I get fresh rosemary, I get it, I dry it at home, I smoke it and I eat it. And this is my yummy soup, tomato soup for the soul, completely out of love for food. So do whatever makes you happy and come alive. Do things that you love.